Welcome to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of our fairy friend that is cat. Today we are going to uncover a colorful mystery that what colors can cats actually see? Are they seeing the world in the same vibrant shade that we do? Stay tuned to find out. Hello pet lovers. It's a common misconception that cats and dogs see in black and white, but that's not entirely true. Cats, in particular, experience the world in a very unique way when it comes to color. Let's explore how. Cats' eyes are quite different from ours. For starters, they have large pupils and a tapetum lucidum, that's layer of a tissue that reflects light which helps them see in low light conditions. But what about colors? Cats are dichromatic, meaning they have two types of a color sensitive cone cell in their eyes. Let's see what that means in terms of their color vision. Since humans are trichromatic, which means we have three types of a cones that can detect combination of red, green and blue. While on the other hand, cats only have cones sensitive to blue and green light. This means that red and pinks may appear more green to cats, while purples may look like another shade of a blue to them. So cats see the world in blues, greens and grays. You might wonder if this affects how cats interact with the world. Interestingly, while their color vision is limited, it's perfectly suited to their natural behaviors like hunting in dawn and dusk light, where their ability to see well in low light really comes into play. Although cats might not see all the colors we do, their vision is adapted to their environmental needs, which is really what matters in the wild. So, the next time you pick out a toy or accessory for your cat, remember they might appreciate something with more blues and greens. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for more pet insight on our channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.